Welcome to the third week of the Sunday Build. For those who does not know what the series is all about, I'm documenting a 52-week series where I'm going to be talking about what actually has happened in my life, my failures, my success, what I learned, what I did that did not work out, everything transparent. So this is going to be a raw and unfiltered type of a conversation, like a friend speaking to a friend. There is no scripting, there is no system that I'm going to be using, which I use in my normal videos and stuff. But this series is just going to be a raw and unfiltered type of conversation. If you like this, let's get started and let's see what has actually happened this week. So this week, I wanted to split it into two halves, the first half of the week and the second half of the week. So the first half, the good news was the Sunday Build series of week 2 got around 150 views. Thank you so much for those who have watched this series. What I actually thought was, it has been 3 weeks since I started the YouTube channel, and getting 150 views within 3 weeks of a single video, that's a mini success for me. Yeah, and actually I gained 4 subscribers by the time I'm recording this video. So I'm thankful for everything what has actually done. What this is bringing to me is, it's bringing me a discipline that I need to put in more work, that I need to give much more valuable to the audience who's watching the video. So there is 2 mantra which I follow. The first mantra is that I have to give much more value than they're giving it to me. What I mean by this is, for example, if you're spending 20 minutes in my video, by the end of this video, you have to be gaining around 40 minutes worth of information that you could be using in your day-to-day life, in your business, in your career, etc. And the second mantra is, I'm playing a game of trust. So whenever you would be watching my video, you have to gain trust that, okay, whatever the video that Vishal is posting, there is a trust. Like, it would be genuine. It would bring some kind of a value to me. So I'm playing a trust game, and trust me, whatever the video I'm posting, I would have applied into my own life. I would have implemented into my own business. Without that, the video will not be out. So that's what actually happened in the first half. And the second half was, I built a systematic framework which I have been building it for the past 3 months, which I have applied it in my business, marketing strategy, hard conversations, scripting, etc. So it's called a draft systematic framework. It is how top 1% speak to AI. So if you have still not watched this video, I have attached a link above or in the description. Go and watch it. And trust me that it's gonna be much more valuable to each and everyone watching it. So my concern is, I could be providing you 5 prompts, right? But that 5 prompts is just going to be useful for 1 in 100 of people watching it. But if I create this systematic framework, each and everyone watching that video will get benefited. They could be using it in their day-to-day life, in their productivity, in their career, in their business, everything. So this is the framework that I have created, and I just didn't create it like that. It took me 3-4 months. What I've learned, what I've implemented, what it worked for me, I've created those frameworks. So yeah, in regards with next week, these 2 videos that's gonna be getting released. The first one is, I have built a routine where I have given a systematic framework, all the master prompt, all the system prompt, about every day AI needs to send me an email about AI updates happening all over the world, so that I could be getting updated what are the new tools that's getting launched or what are the big labs doing currently. and it consists of around 100 pages what actually happened this week. So I will comprise everything. I have tried all those updates, all those new softwares, and I will be transparent to you what worked, what did not work for me. And that video will be getting launched on Tuesday. And there is a terminology that's been going around, vibe coding, where like for me, I don't know how to code, or I have no knowledge about programming or coding, but I built a website that is equivalent, that's around 60% equivalent to Apple website, that luxury, that premium feeling. So I would be launching that video on Thursday on how I was able to achieve that. What are the systematic framework that I used in order to achieve that website, and what software did I use, everything. So get ready for that. Yeah, in order for you to get updated, get notified about these videos and stuff, do subscribe my channel, where I will be talking about how solopreneurs, startup founders could use AI to turn into C-suite executive. AI is everything. AI is just coming. You have to get updated. You will have to use your own knowledge, your own SOPs into this AI and get ahead to be in the top 1%. So yeah, I have attached a link to the systematic framework that I have built called Draft. Do watch it and do give me your comments of how did you feel, or what are the improvements that needs to be made, or what type of videos are you looking for, everything. So see you next week. Until then,